Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Happy 4th of July if you celebrate here in the United States. Today is July 4th. For today's challenge, which is challenge day number 7, I challenge you to use some frames that you have on hand. So I had a bunch of these plastic slide type frames that are really old, and I had them in various bright colors. So I decided to use this for this layout, and I decided to back them with little bits of scrap paper. I also used these metal, I'm not sure what, they're little frames, and they're really old. They used to come with letters, and I have the letters too. These particular ones I painted over, so with white paint, and then I dabbed on blue paint over top. But they have these little prongs in the back, and I didn't use the letters in this layout. I just used the frames, and then I used some puffy stars and hearts in each one of the frames. So that is a challenge that I am offering for today, July 4th. On this layout, I also used some mist that I have. I used this Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist in gold. And I also used some homemade mist that I made. And I'm going to do a separate video on this later. I use this blue. How I make my own glitter mist, and I will have that up probably later today, but I want to post how I make my own glitter mist because it's fairly easy to do, and they turn out quite well, so it's quite economic to use glimmer mist that way. So thank you all for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with challenge day number 8 for our summer challenge. Talk to you later. Bye.